everyone. Welcome to online class. Today's class we are going to continue the lesson The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. Part 2. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and all the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Here, the country inspector was a round little man. He had a box full of tools, dials and wires. When Margie went there, he gave her an apple. He took the mechanical teacher apart. Margie thought that he did not know how to put it together, but he did it. It was a large and black and ugly machine. Margie hated the homework slot. When she was 6 years old, she started to write tests. The mechanical teacher calculated the marks in a fraction of a second. Here, slot means where Margie had to put homework and test papers. So, Margie could know her mark immediately. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not a little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quickly. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10 years level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. The inspector told her mother that it was not Margie's fault. The machine was a little fast. The inspector slowed it for 10 years old level. Next paragraph. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Here, Margie was disappointed because she thought, like Tommy's teacher, her teacher also would have been taken away for a while. Once Tommy's teacher had been taken away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. There was a problem in a mechanical teacher. Margie thought about a real school. So, she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. "Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago." He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, "centuries ago." Tommy told Margie that it was not like their school. It was a real school. That was the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Centuries, 100 years. Margie was hurt. "Well, I do not know what kind of school they had all that time ago." She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, Anyway, they had a teacher. He did not know what kind of schools they had earlier. But after reading the book, she came to know about school. Also, there was a teacher, she was human. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a human. A human? How could a human be a teacher? Well, she told boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Tommy told Margie that there was a teacher, she was a human. But Margie could not believe it. But Margie wondered how a human could be a teacher. He told boys and girls were together and the teacher had given homework. Asked questions also. Page number 152. A human isn't smart enough. Sheer oneness. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a stranger in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Here, Margie told Tommy that she would not want a stranger in her house to teach her. Tommy laughed. He replied that the teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. And all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently. Just the same, they did not do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Here, Tommy explained about school to Margie. He said all the children had learned the same thing and also they were in the same age. The human teacher taught the lessons for all the children. And also Tommy added that if the children did not like to learn the lessons, they can close their books. The teacher taught the lesson according to the mind of the children. There is no stress for them. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. Margie looked up, not at Amma. Now, said Mrs. Jones. And it's probably time for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Now Margie wanted to read about those funny schools. Their mother remembered them about their present school. Here, nonchalantly means in a casually calm and relaxed manner. Margie had to study always at the same time every day. Because her mother said little girls learned better if they had learned at regular hours. So, Margie asked Tommy if she could read the book some more with him after school. Tommy accepted. He carried the book. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Because her mother said that little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Margie's schoolroom was next to her bedroom. She had classes all the days except Saturday and Sunday. The mechanical teacher was waiting to teach her. The screen was lit up and it said, "Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot." Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools that they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Margie's mechanical teacher asked the arithmetic homework. She inserted it. By the time she thought about the old schools. In that old schools, kids from the neighborhood came in large number. They laughed and shouted in the schoolyard. They sat together in the schoolroom. They went home together at end of the day. All the kids learned the same things. So, they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Had a fun there. They enjoyed learning in the old schools. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1/2 and 1/4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old schools. She was thinking about the fun they had. When Margie was thinking about the old school, the mechanical teacher kept on giving homeworks. Now let's see the summary of the lesson. Tommy and Margie found something about the schools of the past. Tommy found a real book which had been printed on paper. The book was old and the pages were yellow and crinkly. At present, the words were moving on a television screen. The television had over millions of books. He had found the old book in the attic. While reading, Tommy found that it was about the old schools. Margie hated school because she was having problems with learning geography. The mechanical teacher was black and large with a screen. Margie hated the slot where she had to insert her homework or test papers. Margie was thinking about the old school and how much fun the children had learning and spending time together.